Sailing direction are crucial for safe and efficient navigation, especially in coastal waters and when approaching ports. Sailing direction, also known as pilot books, are crucial navigational publication providing detailed information for mariners, particularly during coastal navigation and port approaches. Significance for port approaches. Detail for port information. They provide detailed information on port facilities, including berthing areas, navigational aids regulation, and pilotage requirements. Safe and efficient for entry. Sailing direction help mariners navigate safety and efficient into ports, minimizing the risk of collisions, groundings, or other incidents. Compliance with regulations. They contain information on local regulations, maritime claims, and other legal aspects relevant to port approaches. Local knowledge. Sailing direction after evaluate local knowledge of hazard, current tides, weather patterns, and other navigational challenges specific to our region. This local expertise is vital for safe for passage. For details, they provide detailed information about port facilities, including depths, berthing areas, navigational aids, pilotage requirements, and local regulation. This ensures safety and efficient port entry and departure. Route planning. Sailing direction aid in planning voyages, identifying optimal routes, and understanding potential risks along the way. They allow mariners to make informed decisions to avoid dangers and optimize their journey. Supplement to chart. Will nautical chart show to the civil and navigational aids. Sailing direction provide the context and narrative needed to interpret the chart data correctly. They explain the notices of allocation and help mariners understand the best way to navigate safety.